Hey, what is up, you guys? This video is about sort of how I put together accessories, my dog is just, can you not? This is how I put together like customization of like denim jackets and things like that, and sort of ideas of where you can find these things that I wanted to put together as sort of a statement piece, particularly for like pride events, things like that. I also pick up a lot of my jackets from like jumble sales, charity shops, such forth, because jackets like this tend to be pretty expensive in a shop, somewhere upwards of like 25 quid, which I don't want to pay. So I collect a lot of badges from like random places. I have these fiction badges from an event I won tickets to go and see Crystal Castles. There are like some badges that I kind of basically stole off people or were gifted to me. The Vans one, definitely not mine. The handmade trans one is one that was given to me by a friend in Liverpool. I bought the Pride badge at Gaze the Word bookshop. Go there, it's in Bloomsbury, it's pretty lit. I also buy like kind of iron-on patches because I can't sew. So I buy a lot of these from eBay or Amazon. I also have some studs that I put on, like I have a few sort of different kinds of studs. I got these from eBay, I'm pretty sure, as well. You can get like a decent size pouch of them pretty cheap on eBay. eBay is pretty great for getting on bits and pieces, because there are sort of like companies who, sort of do and sell this stuff to make money, but there's also people who just, want to get rid of some things, make a little money from them, who used to collect, so you can find some really cool things. There was a Kerrang badge that I got from like when I used to buy Kerrang. What a vibe. I also have a Paramore badge that definitely was not mine. I can't remember who that belonged to. I've had that since secondary school and it's not mine. I also have fighting animal testing. I think I got that from the Body Shop. I also have a little Poppy, and then I have this little collection of Pokemon badges. I don't remember where I bought these. So this is sort of an update of what the jacket looks like now. There's a few other badges, like patches I've put on there. So there's a Good Vibes patch, there's like a St Mary's badge, repping my uni, fuck me up, bruh. And there's also a Not Guilty with a badger on. I thought it was really cute and cool. I self-made an AIDS ribbon and put it on. I'm very much the kind of person who is down for customization of clothes, because it's you're your own person, and I think jackets can really show what you believe, what you think, and all this sort of thing. I have a bunch of gay badges that go between different jackets. Has a little bit of flair and personality, and it is pretty cheap to do. If you can find a cheap jacket or like an old jacket that someone's given to you, you can literally make it your own, and no one else will be able to make it look like your jacket. I hope you like that. Let me know if there's any other sort of things you'd want me to go into and talk about, and give me a subscribe. That'd be nice. Thanks, pals.